What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tanera, and I'm back with another video finally. I know y'all been wondering where I've been at. It's been almost a year since my last upload, but your girl had been going through some things, but I'm back. I'm pregnant again with baby number 2. It's a boy. So in this video today, we will be doing a what's in my baby bag. Y'all will be going through the process of packing his baby bag with me. And today, actually why I'm doing this video today is because I hit my 31 week mark. So I said, it's time for to start prepping and getting ready in case he come before expected. So I don't want to be caught with any surprises because I still got to pack my hospital bag. I still got to pack my toddler bag for when he goes step with his grandparents while I'm in the hospital having his brother. So we're going to get right into this video and pack this baby bag. And you guys make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment, like, and hit your post notification bell so you don't miss the upload because I swear I'm posting more videos. I promise. I keep saying it, but I'm going to post more videos. I promise. So let's get right into this video. Okay, you guys. So I got his baby bag off Amazon from this company. Not sure if you can see it, but the company name is Rovalino. So yeah, it comes in this little bag right here, and we're gonna open it up for the first time. And it is so cute. Like, it's like a little book bag. I thought it was the cutest thing ever. So we're gonna get everything opened up, and it comes with all kind of paper and stuff. So we're just gonna get this popping and get them. Oh, it comes with a little gift on the inside, and it says thank you. And it does come with a changing pad. But if you're a mother like I am, you don't have time to get all the changing pads out and stuff like that. So that probably won't be used. So it got these 2 little tags on it with the company name and stuff. And I'm gonna cut those off. So the inside is empty, and it comes with all kind of compartments for different things. I'm guessing this is where the bottles go. And in this bag, this time for the hospital stay, we're not packing all the extra. Mainly I'm packing his clothes he will be wearing, his come home outfit, and some blankets and like t-shirts and stuff like that. Because from experience, when I had my first son, like, the hospital provides pamper, wipes, milk, pacifier, the necessities. So all I really had to have for him were his clothes. So let's get right into packing his bag. The first thing I'm gonna pack is and all this stuff come from Walmart. Yeah, I'm not the type who gonna put my newborn babe on all this name brand stuff, because like I said, from experience of my first son, I did all that with him, and he grew out it so fast. Some stuff he didn't even get a chance to wear because he grew so fast. So I learned that, and that was wasting money too. So any first time moms, y'all make sure y'all just get simple stuff. It doesn't have to be name brand unless you want that and you willing to give it away, or save it for the next baby, hand me downs. But me personally, this Walmart stuff works for me. I'm not high maintenance and caring about name brands. As long as the baby comfortable and he look nice and has what he needs, that's all that matters. So first thing I'm going to pack is his receiving blankets. So this pack comes with 4 receiving blankets. So I'm going to pack should I pack all 4? I'm going to pack all 4 of these just in case. You know, you never know the COVID-19 going on. So in case anything drop on the floor, anything, you know, I don't have to be like, oh dang, I don't have any extra blankets. So I'm going to pack all 4 of these receiving blankets. And I do have to go get him more stuff. So these are just receiving blankets, but I'm going to get him some more blankets. And I'm having a baby shower as well, so I'm kind of just trying to see what all I get from there before I go buy the rest of his stuff. I just really already bought stuff like his bassinet and car seat and stuff. I already bought that stuff. So like as far as bottles and blankets and stuff, I just been holding out on it. So first thing into the bag, we're gonna put his receiving blankets. Next, okay, t-shirts. Now the hospital does provide t-shirts. Y'all excuse my son, he been acting kind of crazy today. I don't know what he's on, but he's in there watching TV in his own little world. So if you hear him, that's what you hear. But anyway, so like I was saying, the hospital does provide t-shirts, the little white t-shirts. But I just want to pack my own t-shirts. Just, you know, you can never have too many t-shirts on hand. Because like I said, with the virus and everything going on, you don't want to put things on him that then been contaminated on the floor, anything like that. So it's always good to pack extra. Especially like if you're a mom with young kids, you know that the more the merrier. So this pack comes with 3 little long sleeve t-shirts. So like I was saying, this pack comes with 3 t-shirts, 3 long sleeve t-shirts. And I'm going to pack all 3 of these t-shirts in his bag. Never have too many t-shirts. And y'all, I'm so excited for him to come. Like, oh my God, like I can't believe it's getting time for me to have him. It's been a long wait. So next that I will be putting, next thing I'll be putting in his bag is this swaddling set that I ordered off Amazon. And I'll try to insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like. Or I ordered it off Amazon, and I think I'm not sure how much it costs, but I'm gonna put it in the description box, a link to it. And I ordered it from this company called and I don't know, but this is the card that came with it, and it say, "Thank you so much for your order. Your trust in our products is a great encouragement to us. If you encounter any problems during the use of this product, please feel free to contact us. We will try our best to help you solve it. If you're satisfied with our product and service, you can share your thoughts with other customers, and we will be very grateful for this." So this came from this company right here. And it's a swaddling set. It comes with a little hat, and it says little brother, because he is the little brother. And it's a swaddling blanket, like a swaddling, it looked like a pillowcase, but you slide it up on the baby and put his arms in it and stuff, and it kind of make him feel snug and stuff. So I'm gonna put that in the bag just in case I want to swaddle him when, you know, we just chilling in the room. I'm not sure how long we'll be staying in the hospital. Excuse me, staying in the hospital because of the COVID-19. So I just want to be sure, because last time when I had my first son, I stayed in the hospital, I want to say 3 days. I went home the 3rd day. I stayed overnight 2 times and went home the 3rd day. So yeah. So then another necessity we have socks. So like I said, you could never have too many. So I might pack him all 3. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pack all of these socks because I'm not sure. This is a new hospital I'm delivering it as well, you guys, because I'm in a different city from where I had my first son. So I'm not really familiar with their how they do with the babies and stuff. So I'm just gonna pack enough just to be sure. I'd rather overpack than to underpack. And as a mother, you know what I mean, because kids mess up clothes, things happen, all kind of things. So I'm gonna pack all 6 pairs of these socks just to have over our stay. So I'm gonna put these in the bag. Okay, next is his well, we're gonna move backwards because I still haven't decided which one of these outfits. I know this will be his outfit for his first day, and it say hello world, and it comes with pants, shirt, and a little cap. So this probably be what I put him on for the first day, like, you know, because that's mainly, well, I'm not even sure if we're gonna have visitors because of the COVID-19, but just in case somebody do come and see us, he'll have this on, and he can wear it for you know, just chill in the nursery, be cute in the nursery. And y'all, I'm so obsessed with these little tiny clothes, like they so little, and these pants come with the foot part in it already, so he might not need socks for this, but if it's cold then in the hospital, then we'll probably have socks on. So I'm gonna pack this outfit for his first day. And mind you, he still will have the t-shirts as well. So his I got some little onesies, and I thought these was very cute. Like this one say I'm a big deal, because he is the big deal. And then this one, it just has cars and fire trucks and dump trucks and stuff on there. So I'm gonna leave this on the hanger and kind of just fold it up and put this up in there just in case I want him to wear it, but he probably don't wear these. So I'm gonna leave it on the hanger because I can always bring it back home and hang it back up. And for his coming home outfit, I think I want him to wear either this, between these two, I'm not sure, but I like this one, and it has a little elephant on it. So, and then this one says little brother. Now my first son will have on a shirt that says big brother. And then I know my mom, she bought them a little set, like a little brother and big brother set. So he might end up wearing that home from the hospital, depends. But I'm going to put both of these in here just in case I decide differently of what to send him in. Because, and I learned too from my first experience with my first son, I did not like those 0 to 3 months clothes because it was swallowing my baby. Like, it was so big. So all these clothes are newborn, and I didn't buy much newborn stuff because I know he gonna grow fast, but just like for the purpose of when he gets here, first get here, I don't want all those baggy clothes on him. It's already gonna be hot outside, so we're just gonna put that in there. And last, I found these little house shoes at Walmart as well. And I thought they were the cutest things ever. So I'm going to pack these just for him to have. And I'm going to put them in there. And this is another outfit, but I'm not going to put that in there because he could wear it to probably his first doctor appointment. So we're gonna see what this is that was left in the baby bag. And it looks like it's just a little burping cloth, little towel. So I'm gonna put that in the bag to have as well. And I think that's pretty much it. The only other thing I could see myself needing that's not in his bag is maybe his blanket, a thicker blanket, and I'm gonna get him that's it. You really don't need much because the hospital gonna provide everything, and I'm gonna get this monogram with his initials, so it's gonna be cute. And I'm so excited. Like, you can hold it like this, or you can carry it like a book bag, and like, it's really a cute little bag, and I love it. And I'll leave the link to that as well in my description. But you guys, this concludes this video of the baby bag packing. And if you guys want to buy anything off my registry, I will leave the link in the description box. And like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I promise I will be back with more videos. And hopefully we don't go into the hospital early, but just in case, your girl is ready and packed. And I might do a video of me packing my bag. But I won't make any promises right now because now my bag, I probably do that because I know it's a lot of first time moms that would probably need a little guidance packing their bag, because we gonna need a little more than a baby. So yeah, I might do a video packing my hospital bag. But you guys stay tuned. Make sure you share this video and hit me up on my Instagram for more videos you would like to see, more questions, ask me anything. I'm open to answer you guys' questions. I want to thank you for my supporters that I have this far. Thank you guys. And I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers before I go in label. So let's try to get me there. So like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.